Uh-oh, why is it wounded?
Hello guys, this is my channel. So
hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Golden Roots, and I just wanted to show you guys how I make my avocado oil. And I'm using 4 ripe avocados, so you're going to need 4 ripe avocados, and these are medium sized. I got these in Aldi. They have a lot in stock, so if you really like avocado, go get it. If you want to try this avocado oil, then do also try get it. If you're not in Ireland, use ripe avocado, and I'm using 4 medium sized. They're not that big, so that's as big as they get. So if you're new to my channel, remember to subscribe and thumbs up this video so that you don't miss videos like this. And also, I meant subscribe to this channel and thumbs up this video, yeah. And also, if you're already subscribed, thanks so much guys for tuning in. I always appreciate you guys, and I'm here to share you guys the good content with all my viewers. So remember to always put a bell so you don't miss this kind of videos. So we'll just jump right into the video, and I'll show you guys how to get started with this oil. So let's get right into this. So first off, I'm going to start by wearing my gloves, and I'm sitting down guys because I wanted to show you guys precisely how I'm making this. So I'm just going to cut in half. That looks delicious. It looks really good, and I'm just gonna cut all of them. All right. Alright. So I have 2 spoons here, and we're going to place the avocado in the glass jar. So I want to fit everything in the camera space, so we'll start by scooping up some. So we have all our avocado in here, and we're going to need to blend this. So first of all, I can start by mashing up with the spoon just to make it easier for blending process. So I'm going to go in with the hand blender, and I'm using this, and we need to mash up that avocado. Right, so your avocado should be like so, nicely all mashed together, and we're ready to just lay it aside. So I'm just going to put this away, and I have a tray here. I have a tray where I'm going to lay out my avocado. I'm going to first start by scooping off this right onto the tray. And I'm doing this in the morning, so in case you're wondering what time it is, it's going to take me the whole day to have to do this process until you see. I'm gonna take you through every step of the way. So make sure you scoop everything off it and you're just spreading it off because we don't want to miss out on that avocado oil. Scoop out, and we're just gonna make sure everything is spread out. So I'll be back to show you guys the process through the day, and you will notice this avocado change with time, and that's where all the avocado goodness is going to come from. So I'll leave this aside and let it do its thing. There's the other process where you can put it in the sun. In Ireland, we don't have much sunlight, so I'm just gonna place it on the dining table in the kitchen where nobody hardly uses that space, and that's about it. And then I'll be back to show you guys the whole process through the day until we get that avocado oil. So I have this just facing my outside window, and I'll just let it brown up a bit and just keep going. So I'll be back. I have my daughter here with me because I wanted to demonstrate to you guys. Not really demonstrate, but
I wanted to do it.
Yeah, but I have to explain first. So let me talk, okay, mommy?
Okay.
I ended up frying it, and this is how we ended up with the green color, you know. So this oil is going to be used on her hair, and this can be used when moisturizing the hair, when you actually just spray the hair and apply to seal in moisture. I use it straight away. I wanted to use the other method, the cold press method, because that at least takes a couple of days, but that clearly failed. So you can do this by using the heated method, because it also is going to work as much. And I've been using this on her hair. It's really fantastic. Turn around. Turn around. Yeah, her hair is just massive now. So what I do is I apply it on the scalp. I did apply some, I think 2-3 days ago, but I ran out of that avocado oil. And to know that somebody used heat process for this one, you notice that the color is green. So after waiting the next day, if you after waiting the next day, if you're going to use this avocado oil, if you want to make the cold process method, do give it a few days more when trying to make this avocado oil. So this avocado oil is so good, guys. It's rich in oleic acid, and it's very high, it has very high fats, and it's great for penetrating into the hair shaft. If you want to use this as a hot oil treatment as well, it will be good for that. And also you can apply it just to scalp. So I'm just going to show you guys right now. It's just a demonstration. We're not really trying to fix the hair. Let me try to open that.
It's not hot air, you know, guys.
And then it doesn't really have a scent to it, except the avocados really smell weird afterwards.
And Mommy is gonna be taking off her gloves.
Alright, so the other gloves too. So usually you just apply like that, and that's the consistency there. It's nice and dark, and you can just put on the thing. You have a hair ribbon.
Yeah. It can't go all
so
over.
It doesn't have a scent. For people who want to know, this does not have any scent at all. It's safe to use. So
it don't have all over. It don't need to do all over.
Yeah, I'm just showing. Alright. So you can apply this to scalp. You can apply it to hair shaft, like I say. I usually apply this when it's just being washed and I've conditioned. And this is great for sealing in moisture. And remember, the green oil means that it's the heated method that you used. So this avocado oil has been great, guys. It's just amazing. As you can see, her hair is massive compared to mine.
It's so big.
Yeah, so you guys, if you're new to my channel, remember to subscribe and thumbs up this video. And if you're already subscribed, thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I always appreciate you guys.
I'm gonna watch this video.
Yes.
When you give us a thumbs up.
Yep, so give us a thumbs up, and until next time, bye.